Hello, fellow food lovers. Ever stared at that golden turkey and thought, I want it all, but without turning into a stuffed sausage myself? Well, buckle up, because today on Shapeshifters, I'm spilling the beans, cranberries, on how to devour your favorite Thanksgiving feast guilt-free. No diets crashing your holiday vibe, just smart hacks to keep you light, bright, and ready for seconds. Let's dive in. First up, portion control. But make it fun, not fun-sized, just sensible. Think of your plate like a Thanksgiving pie chart. Half veggies, yes, even if they're swimming in butter. A quarter protein like turkey or that sneaky ham, and a quarter of the carbs that make your heart sing. Stuffing, rolls, you name it. Here's a tip. Use a smaller plate. It's like an optical illusion. Your brain thinks you're eating a mountain, but your waistline knows the truth. And here's the witty twist. If your aunt's famous mac and cheese is calling your name, scoop a golf ball-sized portion first. Taste buds happy, guilt vanished. Remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint. Save room for pie, without the why did I do that regrets. Next, pace yourself like a buffet veteran. Digestion isn't a race, it's a leisurely stroll through Flavor Town. Chew each bite 20 times. Yes, count them if you're bored. And sip water between forkfuls. This gives your stomach time to signal full before you inhale the entire gravy boat. Here's a hack. Set a timer for 20-minute breaks between courses. Chat with family, share a laugh, or debate if pineapple belongs on a pizza. Anything to slow your roll. It prevents that post-meal food coma where you wake up wondering where you are. Now the secret sauce. Prep before the feast so you don't balloon like a parade float. Start your day with a light, fiber-rich breakfast. Think oatmeal or a smoothie to kickstart digestion without filling you up. Hydrate like it's your job. Aim for 8 glasses of water by noon to flush out any bloated bandits. And for the love of leftovers, pop a digestive enzyme or sip peppermint tea an hour before. It's like giving your gut a pep talk. You got this. Oh, and take a 10-minute walk pre-meal to burn a few calories and make space for that extra slice of pie. No bloat, no regrets, just pure holiday joy. There you have it, your blueprint for a guilt-free Thanksgiving blowout. Sensible portions, paced eating, and a smart prep mean you can indulge without the undo button. Try these tips this holiday and let me know in the comments. What's your must-have Thanksgiving dish? Hit like and subscribe for more weight loss wins and share this with your family. Until next time, eat smart, stay witty, and for more healthy eating tips, join us at ShapeShiftersUSA.com.